stuff I got from the store. I bought this from the store in my last video. I'm pretty long ago. I tried backtesting like 2005 market, bro. That market was very slow. If you guys can see the time is currently 8:30. Guys, these are the trades we have been taking on NZD USD the whole year, like, and I'm going to be showing you guys a software where you can backtest for free. That's crazy. Like, you don't want to miss that. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video, and today is Friday, and we are going to be unboxing this stuff I got from the store. I bought this from the store in my last video. If you watch my last video, you see, and I said I'm going to be unboxing it in my next video. So guys, yeah, we'll unbox it and I'll show you the before and after. So this is how my video looked like before all this lighting, and after I'll show you like the before and after, so you guys can rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Yeah, that's it. So this is the first thing we're going to do this morning. So guys, this is I haven't really opened this box. The only place I saw a sample was from the store. So this is how it looks like. This is the main lights. So, and this is comes with a remote, cable, comes with cable and this stuff and a battery. Then this is the stand. So guys, it comes with this stand and can extend it if I want to. I'm pretty long, I'm very long, so I can extend it and I can So guys, this is how it looks, and it looks very nice. Like, if you can see how bright my room looks like, you'll just be like, wow, it looks very nice. So guys, this is how my video looks like without the lighting I just unboxed. So guys, I want you guys to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, like how the change is. Like, was it an improvement, or just tell me, give me your opinion in the comment section. So guys, this is without the lighting and this is with the lighting. So guys, what do you see? Like, what difference do you see? How does it look like? Let me even increase the. So now this is like my video with lighting and all that, like all those cool stuff. So like, how do you see it? And I don't even think the video is pointing towards me. Let me just quickly adjust it so that it's pointing towards me perfectly. Okay guys, I think I just did it. So this is how it looks, me talking to the camera with the light on me. Like, how does it look? So let me just show you. This is me without the light. This is how everywhere looks without the light. You're seeing it, and this is with the light. So guys, how do you see it? Just drop your comments in the comment section. Today I have a lot to do, but when I come back from work, I'm going to like backtest with you guys. Like, I'm going to be showing you guys everything. I'm going to backtest with you guys. So guys, we're going to see. Yeah, I'm going to backtest with you guys, and you guys are going to love it. I'll just do some chart analysis. I started backtesting the beginning of this year. Like, I just want to retrade this year again to see how I will have performed if I had the knowledge I have now during the beginning of the year. So guys, that's it. I tried backtesting like 2005 market, bro. That market was very slow. Like, market was very, 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 very slow. So guys, I was like, is this how they traded that time, 2005, 2006? That was crazy. You can be in the 4 hour time frame, but like the price will still be consolidating, like it will not even be moving. So guys, now I think this is like one of the best times to be a trader because now there's a lot of volatility and a lot of people trade these days. So like that's crazy. During that time, that was crazy. And one thing I don't like about that time was that if I'm on a trade now, I don't know when the news is going to come out, and there's no volume when there's no news. So like it should just be consolidating till when news happen then to hit your stop loss or sometime hit to take profit. So like it's just crazy. So guys, I was like, bro, let me just backtest this year. My then the next thing I'll get back, I'll backtest the last 5 years because I feel like as if there'll be volume during that time, like from 2019 to like 2024. So guys, that was it. So guys, I just came back from work, and yeah, it's been a long day at work. It's been a very long day, and time is currently um 8:13. I don't know if you guys can see the time. Time is currently 8:13. So time is currently 8:13, and I just said let me just show you guys how we have been doing lately, and I'll show you guys the trade I took in the last 2 weeks, how the market have been treating me. So guys, these are the trades we have been taking on NZD USD the whole year. Like it's just crazy, like back to back to back to back to back wins and all those things. I just send them for free on my Telegram community. I don't have anything paid. I just like to help. You understand? So I send about 70% of my trades just for fun, just to show that it's possible and I can do it. You understand? So all this, you can see we rode the trend down. So like it's just crazy. All these things are just crazy. We have been doing well, but for the past 2 weeks, I don't think we have been doing well. This trade, I took it to the 3R, hasn't gotten to my target, but like almost there. Is about 2 point something R right now. So the trade we took last week, that was an SL, was a stop loss. Took one stop loss last week. Yeah, it was a quick one. Took one stop loss last week. Quick one here. This one. Yeah, we're going for like 5 R ball. Price stopped us out, and yeah, that was it. So EUDJPY, I took a loss recently on EUDJPY. Don't know why my chart is slowing. But let me quickly go to gold. Gold, I've been missing trade for the past for the past um 2 to 3 weeks. I've just been missing trades on gold, and it's been painful. This I got this trade about, I think, on January 9th, on December 9th. Yeah, that was December 9th, Monday. Then this trade I was meant to follow this sell, but like I closed very, very early, and I ended up regretting it because bro, this thing went CSR and even went further to the downside. Then I was trying to like enter the trade with all this position, but price wasn't giving me what I want. See, price didn't come to that area. Price didn't still come to this area I marked out this morning. So like it's just been a pain, it's been painful for me since I've been missing all these trades on gold and all that. AUDJPY. I had some wins on AUDJPY, but I've taken about 2 losses now. This is the win I had, and I took this loss to this loss, and also recently, I think yesterday, to this loss. So it's just been a crazy ride. So and I've also decided that I'm not going to be trading um this to the end of this year because I just want to take a break this last 2 weeks of the year. So just take a break, chill out, and all that kind of stuff. So, and I'm currently recording this video on my new lighting that um I just showed you guys in the beginning of the video. So guys, I hope it looks good. So that's it. That's basically it. Just want to calm down, prepare for the next year. That's why. So prepare for the next year. If it's a Profirm account, buy some Profirm, maybe 2 or 3 Profirm accounts, fund your accounts, and prepare for next year. Backtest that as well. And I'm also going to be doing a backtesting video next. And I'm also going to be talking about how my 2024 went, if it was a good year for me or a bad year for me. And you guys can leave your comments in the comment section. So that's just it. I'll make a backtesting video. That video I'm going to be reviewing a very good software for backtesting. It's a free software for backtesting, and you guys need to subscribe so that you won't miss out when I release that video. So like it's just crazy. All we are giving here is value and all that, like nothing much, just value, consistency, and transparency in this channel. So guys, please like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. If you found something that you can stick with, like if you want to stick with this channel, like, subscribe, and help the community. And also have a free Telegram channel, as I said. You can join it. It's a community. You can even talk in the community. So like it's just somewhere where traders can interact and get to know each other and get to find out each other's experience. So like all value, you are giving all value here. So guys, yeah, that's the end of the video. And next video I'm going to be backtesting, and you guys are going to be gaining a lot of value, and I'm going to be showing you guys a software where you can backtest for free. That's crazy. Like you don't want to miss that. So guys, that's the end of the video, and yeah, peace out.